Okay, so we've just got a quick tutorial video about how to use our 3D Shed Builder on your mobile phone. It's a little bit different from the desktop, but still really easy. Okay, so on the top left of the screen, you've got the 3-bar menu. You can watch a tutorial, which takes you to this video. You can enter a shed number, which is if you've designed a shed before. You enter in your 16-digit shed number, and it will take you straight back to the design. View details, you can basically look at the details of the shed that you're working on. Say my shed I'll tell you about later, and you don't have to worry about sales login. So let's quickly look at how you actually build a shed. If we go edit, you can choose your range and size. So your ranges are here. You've got full timber, semi-timber, cedar, and cedar rustics. Semi-timber you can't do much with, so let's go for full timber shed. And we've got all our sizes here. We can basically tap on them to have a look at them. And then you can always just tap out to have a look at the shed in full view and use your finger to move it around. Then you can, if you pinch and spread, you can zoom in and out. And you go back to edit and go, okay, I don't like that one. We'll go for a, let's say a Mark III. See, nice big shed. And let's say that's one we want to work on. So then we go edit. We found our range and size, so let's go to doors or windows. Open that up. Now, when you highlight a wall and then go edit, you have layouts for each wall. So let's say we want a window on that front wall. That looks good. Then if we want to put a window on this end wall, you shift around to that end wall. And then we've got the layouts for the end wall. So we go, okay, well, let's have another window on there. And then let's say if we want to change that window from a fixed window, we can change it to a louver window. And that will toggle the window. So you can do that basically for every side of the shed to add in windows and doors and whatever else. Okay, let's go to our third step is color options. Okay, for Kiwi sheds you can have a roof and a trim color. So yeah, you can just pretty much click on whatever colors you want, have a quick look, you go, oh, that looks a bit yuck, so we'll go that, and so we'll go Gull Grey and Thunder Grey. So it looks nice. Cool, so we're happy with that shed now. Let's add our accessories to it. So here we can add a floor, either you're laying your own concrete pad. Obviously there's no cost for that, but let's say we'll give you a timber floor kit. And let's say we want a clear roof panel. These won't show on the model, but it just updates the estimate. And if you click in these question marks, it will show you what that accessory is, so you know what you're actually putting on there. And let's say we want a door security upgrade. And that's it. We've designed the shed, looking all good. So now we can check out the estimate if we want to by clicking here. And then when we're ready, if we just want to save the shed, we can go to the top right here, click Save My Shed, enter our name, phone number, email address, and if you've got any questions, and then click Submit. And that will send you an email with the details of your shed, a link to return to the design, and details on where you can go to purchase the shed if you like, and assembly services, etc. So that's how you do it. Real easy. Don't be afraid, give it a go, and let us know if you have any problems. We're always happy to help. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Bye.